Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Victoria Fisk, and today we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart: how to learn about finance. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey, feeling a little lost in the world of budgeting and investing, or you're already a seasoned saver looking to expand your knowledge, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm sharing my ultimate guide to learning about finance, packed with essential tips, valuable resources, and actionable advice to empower you to take control of your financial future. Let's get started. Before we dive into the exciting world of investing, budgeting, and achieving financial freedom, it's crucial to have a solid understanding of the fundamentals. That's why I always recommend starting with the basics. Think of it like building a house. You wouldn't start with the roof, right? You need a strong foundation to support everything else. In my video, Basics of Finance for Beginners, I break down those essential financial concepts in a way that's easy to understand, even if you're a complete beginner. We'll cover things like budgeting, saving, debt management, and investing. All the building blocks you need to make smart financial decisions. Don't worry if you're feeling a little overwhelmed. We all start somewhere. The key is to take it one step at a time and build your knowledge gradually. Remember, learning about finance is a journey, not a race. So take your time, watch the video, and feel free to ask any questions you have in the comments below. I'm here to support you every step of the way. Now that we've covered the basics, it's time to take your financial knowledge to the next level. Develop the skills and confidence to make informed decisions about your money. In my video, I share practical steps and valuable resources. Explore different learning styles: books, podcasts, documentaries. Set clear financial goals. What do you want to achieve with your money? Buying a house, investing for retirement, or financial security? A clear vision keeps you motivated. Set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. I'll provide actionable advice to help you reach them. Financial literacy is an ongoing process. Stay curious, keep learning, and adapt your strategies. Gain the knowledge and confidence to navigate personal finance complexities. For my viewers in the UK, navigating the financial landscape here comes with unique opportunities and challenges. That's why I created a dedicated video for you. Learn personal finance essential tips for financial success in the UK. We'll delve into managing your money effectively within the UK context. From understanding the UK tax system to making the most of ISAs and pensions, I'll share practical tips and resources to help you thrive financially. So, grab a cuppa, settle in, and let's explore UK personal finance together. Dreaming of a career in finance? Whether you're aiming for a role in investment banking, financial analysis, or wealth management, acing those interviews is crucial. That's why I created a video specifically to help you prepare for finance job interviews. In Top 10 Finance Interview Questions and Answers, I break down the most common interview questions you're likely to encounter and provide you with insightful tips on how to answer them confidently and effectively. We'll cover technical questions related to financial statements, valuation methods, and market trends, as well as behavioral questions designed to assess your problem-solving skills, teamwork abilities, and leadership potential. I'll also share valuable insights into what interviewers are really looking for in candidates and provide you with strategies to showcase your skills and passion for finance. Remember, preparation is key to interview success. By familiarizing yourself with common interview questions, practicing your responses, and highlighting your relevant skills and experience, you'll be well equipped to impress potential employers and land your dream job in the exciting world of finance. The world of finance is constantly evolving, so staying updated with the latest financial news is essential for making informed decisions about your money. But with so much information out there, it can be overwhelming to know where to turn. In my video, How to Stay Updated with Financial News, I share my go-to sources for reliable and insightful financial news. From reputable websites like Investopedia, the Motley Fool, and NerdWallet, to financial publications like the Financial Times and the Wall Street Journal, I'll guide you to the resources that matter most. We'll also discuss how to navigate the world of financial news without feeling overwhelmed. I'll share tips on identifying credible sources, understanding different financial jargon, and filtering out the noise to focus on the news that's relevant to your financial goals. Remember, staying informed about market trends, economic indicators, and industry news can empower you to make smarter investment decisions. Adjust your financial strategies as needed and stay ahead of the curve. Navigating the world of finance can sometimes feel like a solitary journey, but it doesn't have to be. Joining online forums and communities dedicated to personal finance can provide you with invaluable support, insights, and a sense of belonging. In my video, How to Benefit from Online Finance Communities, I delve into the power of connecting with like-minded individuals who share your financial goals. We'll explore popular online communities like Reddit's Our Personal Finance, Facebook groups focused on financial literacy, and online forums dedicated to specific investment strategies. These platforms offer a wealth of knowledge, from experienced investors sharing their insights to beginners asking questions and seeking guidance. You can find support, motivation, and accountability on your financial journey, all while learning from the experiences of others. Remember, you don't have to navigate the world of finance alone. While reading books and watching videos can provide a solid theoretical foundation, there's no substitute for hands-on experience when it comes to mastering personal finance. In my video, How to Start Budgeting and Investing, I guide you through the practical steps of putting your knowledge into action. We'll explore different budgeting methods, from the 50/30/20 rule to zero-based budgeting, and find the approach that best suits your lifestyle and financial goals. I'll also introduce you to user-friendly budgeting apps like Mint that can simplify the process of tracking your income, expenses, and savings goals. Next, we'll dive into the world of investing, exploring different investment options from stocks and bonds to mutual funds and ETFs. I'll walk you through the process of opening an investment account on platforms like Robinhood or Acorns, empowering you to start growing your wealth. Remember, the key to mastering personal finance is to combine knowledge with action. By actively budgeting, saving, and investing, you'll gain valuable experience, build confidence, and make significant progress toward your financial goals. Don't underestimate the power of local resources. Attending financial workshops, seminars, and webinars can provide you with valuable insights, connect you with experts in the field, and offer personalized guidance tailored to your specific financial situation. In my video, How to Make the Most of Finance Workshops, I'll share tips on finding and benefiting from these events in your local community. We'll explore different types of workshops, from those focused on budgeting and debt management to those covering investment strategies and retirement planning. I'll also provide you with strategies for maximizing your learning experience, such as preparing thoughtful questions, actively participating in discussions, and following up with presenters after the event. Remember, learning about finance is an ongoing journey, and attending local workshops and events can provide you with fresh perspectives, valuable insights, and a sense of community support. While there are countless resources available to help you manage your finances independently, there are times when seeking personalized guidance from a qualified financial advisor can be invaluable. In my video, When to Consult a Financial Advisor, I'll discuss the benefits of working with a financial professional and help you determine if it's the right decision for you. We'll explore situations where seeking professional advice can be particularly beneficial, such as when you're feeling overwhelmed by complex financial decisions, planning for major life events like buying a home or retiring, or facing a significant financial challenge. I'll also guide you through the process of finding a reputable and trustworthy financial advisor who aligns with your values and financial goals. We'll discuss different types of financial advisors, fee structures, and important questions to ask potential advisors to ensure a good fit. Remember, seeking professional financial advice is an investment in your financial well-being. A qualified advisor can provide you with personalized guidance, tailored strategies, and peace of mind knowing that your finances are in capable hands. There you have it, my top tips and resources to empower you on your journey to financial literacy. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more you learn about managing your money effectively, the more confident and in control you'll feel. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and inspiration, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Got any questions or additional resources to share? Drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Now go out there and rock your finances.